Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, today's video about new makeup release by Gucci Glow Powder Gel Highlighter. This price is $59. Gucci Glow Highlighter, the house's first powder gel highlighter, was created as the ultimate radiance enhancer to reveal your vibrant emotions. Color: 01 Sunrise Gold, Soft Champagne Hue. Powered by the glow light capturing technology, the formula is infused with a high concentration of thin pearls in a unique color: 02 Frosted Lilac, Pearl Lilac. Powder gel emollient texture for a light-reflecting, multi-dimensional glow finish. This illuminating powder melts onto the skin and enhances complexion radiance. Color: 03 Warm Gold, Champagne Gold. An ideal multi-use tool, it can be used on the eyes, cheeks, nose, and lips, as well as on the body. Color: 04 Opal Pink, Rose Bronze. Using a brush or fingers, sweep the product on the high points of the face, upper cheekbones, brow bones, bridge of the nose, and Cupid's bow to highlight. Color: 05 Warm Bronze, Deep Bronze. Eyes: using a brush, apply the product to the inner corner of the eyes and the center of the eyelids to illuminate. Gucci Glow Highlighter Powder can also be used as an eyeshadow on its own, using a brush or a finger. Apply the product all over the eyelids. Build and blend to intensify the color as desired. If you liked today's video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon. Also, thank you for watching. Bye.